god. New haircut and color. So exciting.
Are you ready for this? Come on.
I gotta say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. You best believe you can fly away, make it bright in the sky. You find your shining star. No matter where you are, you know you gotta give it a try. That's what makes you smile. I gotta say goodnight. You know tonight's the night. Someday you'll get.
Oh, how lovely. I have another unboxing for my snow dolls. I've been liking these dolls a lot and ordering more and more. Ta-da! Oh, how adorable. Isn't she cute? Look at this. Is a peach colored gown and with the pink hair. I think I'm gonna name her Sabrina. She's so cute. Let's see what shoes she's got on. Oh, she's wearing some orange shoes and some underwear that complements her gown. Wow, isn't she adorable? Please follow Snow Dolls in Instagram. You can order from her. She also custom make these dolls, and yeah, this is very lovely. I will take her out. I'm gonna go get my hair done, so I'll take her with me with my Mona bag. This is going to look good with Mona bag. She has the pink hair, so you can order this in Instagram from Snow Dolls, and it has some highlights in the back of her hair. So adorable, so cute. Thank you so much, Snow Dolls Bag Charms. I really like it. And for my nails, my Louis Vuitton nails by Divina in Instagram. These are press-on nails that you can wear on occasions, or you can wear the whole month. It will stay in place. It's very good quality. I highly recommend Nails by Divina. You can follow her on Instagram. I have also bought some accessories for my dolls from Amazon. So it's got hair clips, bags, shoes, etc. The casing of this I got from my daughter's old toys. This is her doll's clothes dresser, something like that. But this one fits all my dolls' essentials. I have like this and some of these headbands for my dolls, and some sunnies and some shoes too. It's this cute bag with a Chanel quilting. Isn't she adorable? She can wear this bag. This might be too much on her, but it looks cute together. Yeah, that looks cute. I'll attach my going out clips with this little doll Sabrina on this video. Stay tuned. love my hair. Thank you. Hi, I just had my new haircut done by Azumi. Oh my god, this is so cute. I really like it. It looks so summery. I love the color. Oh my god.